What's up, everybody? It is your girl, Rita, and I am here to do a video for you. Happy holidays, you guys. We are almost there. Today is Wednesday, going into Thursday, and I'm up cooking cookies. I'm up baking cookies, y'all. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to show them how I do this because this is pretty neat. But before we get started, give me a like for this video. I would really appreciate it. Thank you to all of you guys that always remember to give me a like for my videos. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you comment. I try to comment back. And let's get started. These, you guys, are so neat. It's so easy. And I think they'll be perfect for a quick little dessert for your holidays, okay? These are my cake mix cookies. Yes, you heard me right. Sometimes you have those cake mixes in the cabinet and you don't know what to do with them. Well, these cake mix cookies are really easy, and you can revamp them. You can make them any way you want to, and I'm going to show you how I do just two of these, but I will give you some ideas. Today I'm going to be using a strawberry cake mix, and I'm going to be using a butter cake mix. These are the two that I had already in my cabinet, and I wanted to do something different than cake, so I decided to do these cake mix cookies. They are all over the internet. You can find them anywhere. So let me show you what I do. You need 3 things to make the base for these cookies, and that is a half a cup of butter or oil and 2 eggs and your cake mix, and that's all you need. So let's get down here and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing, okay? So get that light out y'all's face. It's late. So this butter is super soft, and what I'm hoping is that it's soft enough that I can just stir this mix. So I'm going to be adding my butter. That's my butter cake mix, and this is my strawberry cake mix, okay? And I like to get my cake mixes done and, mixed and in the refrigerator, because you need to let these cake mixes sit and set up for about 30 minutes at least before you start scooping them out and putting them into your cookie molds, okay? And also, when you bake your cookies, you need to put them on some parchment or some kind of silicone sheet or something like that. You know, don't just go straight to the baking sheet, okay? So let's get this stuff in here. Now, the 2 flavors that I decided to do on the butter, I'm calling it Butter Kiss, and on the strawberry, I'm calling it Strawberry Lemonade. Okay, so let's just mix our stuff up. My eggs have been out. They're room temperature. They've been out for several hours. So you want everything to kind of be room temperature when you get ready to do this. You can melt your butter, and I'm hoping I don't regret that, because sometimes if you don't melt your butter, you end up having to use your mixer. And it's so late at night, I'm hoping that I don't have to use my mixer. In my strawberry mix, I'm going to put just a little bit of pureed strawberries. This is just frozen strawberries, and I'm just going to put just a little bit in here, just to ramp up that strawberry flavor, okay? And we're just going to be mixing. Yeah, that butter is soft enough, you see that? And all we have to do is mix this, you guys. Now, if you want to, of course, you can use your hand mixer or your electric mixer, but if you have your butter soft enough, you don't have to. And I like to go ahead on, stop. Whew. Lord have mercy. I like to go ahead on, once I mix these cake mixes, these for my cookie mix, I go ahead on and place them in the refrigerator, and then I let them kind of, get moldy, so that when I get ready to, I could have stayed for this. I hate to get my mixer out, you guys, but I might have to, and then come back. But Yeah, I think I'm going to, because you need this to get all mixed up really good, okay? And like I said, you get them mixed up and then you put them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, and then you just come right on back and you start scooping. So let me get this all mixed up and I'll show you how it looks all mixed up, okay? Okay, you see this, guys? All mixed up. I didn't use my mixer, but it required me to really give it some love, okay? So I did this, okay? And I did this. Strawberry and butter. Now right here, you guys, if you wanted to put any chopped nuts or any pecans or any chocolate or candy or anything, M&Ms or anything, this is where you would do it at. And then you would put it in the refrigerator, like I said, for at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, clean up the kitchen, take a shower, and then I'm going to show you how I cook these. These are very quick to cook, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing with mine. I'm going to call this, like I said, butter kiss. I'm going to cook them, then I'm going to drop me these little kisses right on the top of there. When they're warm, push it down in there. And these I'm going to call strawberry lemonade. I have some lemon icing that I took some lemon heads, you guys, some tart lemon head candies, and I chopped them up and they're in here. And a little bit of that strawberry filling that I had is in there. So that's what I'm going to top these with. But like I said, you can do chocolate, like I said, milk chocolate or devil's food chocolate, and break you up some peppermint in there, you guys. Delicious. Put you some M&Ms in there. You can put chocolate with peanut butter morsels. It's just on and on and on, and it's so quick and it's so easy, and you should be able to get about 12 to 24 depending on how you scoop. Now, one thing about this, you can use any cake mix, but I prefer to use Betty Crocker. Better Crocker, okay, Better Crocker. And the reason why is because they kind of do a little puff, like, you know, they get like puff. Now, I've used Duncan Hines. They kind of flat, they be flat, you know, kind of like a sugar cookie. But I prefer the little puffed up cookies, and they're going to be like crispy on around the edges and just like a piece of cake on the inside. So when we get back, we'll do us a sheet of these, and we'll top them and we'll taste them. Okay, see you in a little bit. Okay, you guys, so it's been 30 minutes and my dough or my cookie cake mix is ready. And what I'm going to be doing, you guys, is just putting them right here on my parchment paper. And I have I think it's like a 1/8 scoop. I'm just going to be putting them just like this. And what I'm doing is just taking it, going across here like this, and doing like that. This is the butter, okay? And I'm just going to be putting these right down on here, just like this. So I'm going to get all these ready, put them in the oven. Now you need to cook them for about 10 minutes, anywhere from 10 to 13 minutes, you guys. And what you're looking for is a good little crisp around the perimeter and a soft, almost like gooey topping at the top, okay? And that's what you need. And they'll be just delicious, like a cookie on the outside and like cake on the inside, okay? So I'm gonna fill this up and I'm gonna get these in the oven, and I will see y'all when they are done. I'm so excited about these. Okay, guys, these are they, honey. After 13 minutes, okay, they are so fluffy in the middle, and then you've got that cookie texture on the outside. They're still really warm, you guys, but you see that? Look at that. So what I'm going to do to these butter ones, I'm just going to drop me some kisses right down in the center, just like that, while they're warm, okay? Like I said, you can put some M&Ms in this mixture. You can put nuts. You can use a chocolate cake with peppermint. You can do so much, you know. I'm just going to push them right down in the center. Bloop, okay? That's all we're doing. I'm calling them butter kisses. And we see why, right? Butter cake mix, and some cookies. Some some chocolate kisses, right? Real easy, you guys. You could get with the kids and y'all can create so many things. Let them put anything they want to in their own little mixture, in their own little cake mix cookie. And it comes out and it's just fun. And you never know what you're going to end up liking and what you're going to end up falling in love with, you guys. Aren't these the cutest? Now, they're not the most perfect, okay? But that's okay. This is just some homemade little cake mix cookies, y'all. That's it. Okay? Now, I thought about doing a little sprinkle on here. Just a little red or green, but I don't think I'm going to do that. And, but look at that. Look at that little sucker, honey. Ooh. I'm going to make the rest of these. I'm going to do the strawberry. And then we're going to ice the... Okay, y'all, I don't know what happened. And I don't know where it stopped. But anyway. This is my little cookie. I'll try to... Hopefully I didn't mess up anything, you guys. Let's try it. So this is my butter kiss. Butter cake mix. With a little kiss in the middle. Okay. You guys, that is so dang on good. I'm going to do the rest of these, do my strawberry, show you how I do the strawberry, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so look at the strawberry ones, y'all. Look at that. Look how soft. Look at that. It is so much different, and it's crazy because, like I told you guys, Betty Crocker usually is kind of puffy, like this. They usually come out puffy, like this one did, but this one is totally flat. This cookie dough, this cake cookie is delicious. I'm gonna spread some of my icing on the top, just like that. Just like this, you guys. This is my good old lemon icing. Right? See that? So let's taste it. This is the one that everybody's gonna fuss and fight about. This is so freaking good, you guys. Get some at the back. Now, my kids and stuff might get mad about that crunch of that lemon head, but I ain't mad at it at all. Now, this thing right here is super good. That's it, you guys. I don't have anything else for you. I hope this video comes out good because it did stop. But like I said, this is my cake mix cookies. You can use any cake mix, any fillings, any toppings. Go crazy and have fun with it. Let your kids make their own up. Tell me what combinations you come up with and let me know what you think about this one. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, your food ain't always live until it's been RitasEatas. You guys have a wonderful, blessed Christmas, and I will see you guys at the top of the year. Love you guys. Bye.